everybody, this is Don and we are back with yet another video. Today we're playing some more Bee Swim. Now, if you're wondering why the whole hive of red bees and with only one single baby bee, then it's because that I've been grinding for a while, and also I chose to be a red beekeeper, and also I got this weird thing, this star amulet. Let me show you where it's located. So yeah, I've been doing some tribe sim videos. If you want to check those out, you could. Now, this thing is claim 1 royal jelly, and this is where I got my bronze star amulet. Now, it's how many gifted bees you have. Right now I have only 5 types of gifted bees. Meanwhile, I literally need to have about, let's see here, I need to have 40 types of gifted bees to be able to just use that extreme star amulet, but it's also going to cost some honey, so we're going to be trying to, just do some normal, ordinary questing, and also, if you're wondering by all this stuff, I also have been redeeming codes, but I can't show you because I've been just looking on YouTube. Because if I just show you guys while I was looking on YouTube, then you'd obviously hate the video. You could just check out someone else's channel to see the code. So yeah, we have some enzymes, oil, glue, blue extract, red extract, some field dust, some stainless, some gumdrops. Whoa, that's a lot of gumdrops. And also, when I was not recording, I got this sprinkler, which used while standing in flowers to place a sprinkler. Now, there's different types. They require badges completed, like the ace badge. And then you get all the way to the master badge, which is diamond drenchers, and then the supreme saturator. It's so hard to say. And it's an ultimate sprinkler. Its count is 1. You can only place 1. Well, meanwhile, you can place 4. The radius 16. Well, this one's only 8. The power is 10. Well, the power is 9 is our best one. And weight is 1 second. This weight is 4 seconds. And the step is 3 seconds. Well, this one is 4 seconds. Now, I don't have what that guy has. This is just ridiculous. He doesn't even have a white or blue portal hive. Huh? What? Oh, shut down server maintenance. Gaming, I was just gonna make a video. What? Huh? Is everyone gonna, I need to reload. Wait. Huh? What the? What? Huh? What? No, it's Panda Bear, it's only on defeating mobs. Let's just gather this blueberry and then let's go to Panda Bear. Hey, Panda Bear! I got your quest, man! Now, I do not know what was about that thing that I got shut down for things. I do not know how, why. It's now black. Take this for now. Come back when you're ready for me. Let's go all together. Let's bonk up the mountain. Complete the quest and I'll give you something really special. Defeat 10 neighbors, 10 rivals. Oh my god! The real final show. Oh my, wait. When I watched the YouTuber, I thought it was 10 werewolves. Instead of 5. Oh my god. Let's firstly just defeat the rhino beetles and the ladybugs. We have to defeat 10 of them, then the scorpions, then the mantises, then the spiders, then the werewolves. Then we're done. I hope we get something special like a diamond egg. Wait, we might actually. Ooh, sprout. Why? Anyway, sprout. Okay, finish that sprout. Now anyway, how are we all doing? I hope we're doing amazing, because I am personally doing amazing. Because that I've been doing some Tribe Simulator videos on the test realm server of Tribe Sim, but I cannot join the Beast Realm test realm, so you cannot see me become pro in the test realm, not the Beast Realm world. Now, just so you know, a few days ago, I noticed I've been collecting a lot of tokens. I've been collecting tokens fast, quickly, because of how many bees I keep on getting. And so, that's why it got me thinking, how would I be able to speed that up and probably become #1? And so that's why I decided to be the #1 token collector. But it's gonna be impossible, so it's probably never gonna happen. Probably am, I do not know. And also, this thing kept on signing me out. I do not know why. It signed me out a lot. It logged me out. And I had to keep on typing in, and I cut some of the footage where I did my password so that my account couldn't get hacked, and so I would lose all my progress. So that's why I cut that footage, and so no one will know. Because it kept on crashing, I had to keep on using my password. But I am doing good. Why am I collecting from this field? My field I should be collecting. And also, literally, like, I also got this badge. The Rose Badge Ace. Wait, that means something. We could get something. Oh, yes. We could get something at the ticket tent. It says, earn 1 Ace Badge. And, yes, another Star Jelly. Yeah. Let's hope we get a new type. Let's hope we get a new type of gifted bee. Then we'll get a new gifted bonus. I've heard about that. Now let's hope we get a red gifted bee, because right now we don't have any red gifted bees, I think. Anyway, let's go see. Where should we put? Let's use it. Bees worm? Hello? Okay. Gifted. Wait. Do I already have that? Do I have a gifted fire bee? No, I don't! Yes! Yes! I got a gifted fire bee! Now, let's see here. What type of boost does he give? What type of gifted boost? Ooh, gifted hive bonus 1.5 pollen from flames. This is gonna be really useful. I'm proud. I am so happy we got that rose badge. So happy. Wait. Corridor. Time for secret behind this thing. It's here. Which, you see, it's we can't go over there. And it probably leads to nothing. Anyway, let's see here. Let's see. You need 500. I am broke right now. I am literally broke. Let's see here. Let's see if we can do this one over here. Come on. Yeah. Now let's see. Spend 25,000 honey to play memory match. Don't have the sunflower badge. Let's see. 15. No. 5. Well. Yes. Yes! At least we got some stuff. Got some good looking stuff. Gumdrop's World Jelly from Memory Match. I remember. Get it? I remember. Now, let's see here. If we want to get more chances, we're going to have to grind from the sunflower field, which it looks like we are almost there. Now, since I want to be the #1 token collector, I might as well, and that's why I got rid of rage bees while I was not recording, so that I could be able to, do that thing. Oh wait, since that's gifted, since that fire bee is gifted, instead of having a 30% chance to spawn fire, this time it has a 50% chance to spawn fire. I'm gonna have more fire, and I can't even collect this token. I need it. No. Okay, this is what sprinklers are used for. You see, it takes a few seconds, then it goes up and starts working. See, look, it regrows the field. It regrows the field that you placed it in. It does not regrow other fields. And this thing is useful because that's, you know, when you're a top beekeeper and you collect so much pollen from fields, but when you collect from the low level field, then obviously they run out and it's just gonna be a lot slower. These sprinklers, that's what these sprinklers are used for. They are really helpful for doing that. And also, if you didn't notice about my Crimson Bee, I got it for 250 tickets. Don't worry, I didn't spend Robux. Now, let's see here. Let's see what quests are there. No, not the bluebird tokens. But at least wait. Ooh, pineapple and dandelion. I'm definitely doing that. For the beetle blue, the polar bears quests. What am I saying? Now, let's go collect the pollen from the pineapple patch and the dandelion field, and I'll check back with you when we're back in the sunflower field. Well, actually, check back now. Look at this sprout! Oh my god! Whoa! This sprout is huge! Is that an epic sprout? Huh? I didn't know there was, I thought there was only one type of sprout. Three? That is insane! Really insane. Ooh, we got more royal jelly. Now, once we get like a lot of royal jellies, once we become pro and get tons of royal jelly, we're gonna try and get some gifted with them. Like, you know, all those gifted bees we have. We could get more of them to be able to get the star amulets. Like this star amulet that I have that only boosts blue pollen. I got scammed. It's supposed to be red pollen. Or white pollen, I don't know. But anyway, we are just almost completed with this. Well, actually, we're not even close to completed. Well, we are pretty close. This sprout is huge. Really huge. Literally huge enough. What's that noise? The sprout is completed over there, but I'm mostly secured about this one. This sprout is an epic sprout, and we will not stand to miss it because it gives so much free stuff. And it gives more tickets. Let's plant sprouts. I mean, let's plant sprinklers. What the heck am I doing? Hey, look. Pineapple. Pineapple from leaves. Now, this sprout is 800% away. Wait, what? I mean, 80% away. 80, yes, and now it's 79% away. Now, here's one tip when forming a sprout. If it's on a low field, if you have a sprinkler or the supreme saturation, then use it. Use it if there's a sprout that is a legendary sprout and clearly is in a low field. Then use your sprout. I mean, use your. I do not know what's named again. A sprinkler. Sprinkler. Yes, I'm the master of forgetting. Master of forgetting? Now, I'm going to check back with you once this sprout is complete. Okay, we're almost there. It's red. Means there's going to be red pollen. I mean, red things coming in, I think. I don't know. Anyway, let's see here. Oh, yes, the pollen from the pineapple patch complete. Now we just need the cactus field and the mountaintop. Now, the cactus is kind of the same as mountaintop. and I've only collected from mountaintop once. And it looks like this sprout is almost complete. Let's just collect from this sprout. Ooh, I got 50% loot. That's a lot. Now let's get this. 15 pineapples. Magic. Ooh, magic. Ooh, and we get a lot of stuff. This is so much. This epic sprout was worth it. Really much worth it. Ooh, tickets as well. This is the best. The best. Are you kidding me? Ah! Ooh. Ah! Just when I was about to enjoy myself and show you guys some other stuff, Vicious Bee came. Might as well just take him down. Now, I discovered 25 beast types, and so now I could use this. Means it's much bigger transportation. And it looks like this Vicious Bee is gifted! A gifted Vicious Bee! Oh, this is gonna be hard. The gifted Vicious Bee. If I was more pro, I would be able to take on this thing by myself, but no! I'm not that pro. But look at how much health he has. And look, wait. Oh, a legendary sprout. Legendary. Ooh, yes. The legendary sprout. We're gonna empty her pollen container. Then we're gonna go grind out the legendary sprout. See if we could get it. We could be able to get the really big bonus. But first we're gonna need to take on this really big vicious bee. It's probably gonna get us with a few stingers. We need it to be able to claim ourselves a vicious bee. I'm not using that much stingers because I don't want to waste them because of course I'm trying to get a vicious bee for myself. But anyway, let's defeat this vicious bee and then we'll go grind out this sprout and try to get the best one. Wait, since that's a legendary... Hey, look, it's the YouTuber I watched. Hello, YouTuber I watch. That's his channel name. His channel name is literally right there. Now, how am I supposed to... I'm gonna have to act quick. Quick. Ooh, instant converter. Yes. Spended 1 ticket, but I don't care. At least I'll be able to grind out this route. Ooh, it's getting close to done, and then we'll be able to get all the sweet rewards. And we'll see what we get, and if we get something that's really insane, then obviously we're lucky. If we get about 15 star jellies, then we'll be able to get decked out. Get a big gifted hive. Well, not fully gifted hive, but it'll be a 0% chance that we'll get 15. 0%. But anyway, I've never checked out this, but we'll check that out once we finish this sprout. Hugest thing I've ever seen. Well, actually, not the hugest thing I've ever seen. It's probably like the 4th, 5th hugest thing I've ever seen. Anyway, it's done. And we get so much honey. Wait, oh, it's actually a moon sprout. I thought it was a legendary sprout, but no. If it only was a legendary sprout, that would make me day, but no, it's not. It's not. Only dropping moon charms, which actually you need some to be able to get the next amulet, which is called a moon amulet. Which I only have 27 moon charms. I wish I got more. So every single night I'm going to get the moon charms. Now let's see, we have 11 royal jelly right now. We could be able to use it for some transformations to our bees. You know we don't have a really good hive. Let's see here. What should we transform? Let's try and transform a rascal. Okay, good. Let's try and transform all rascal bees into something better. Probably not all, because clearly. Hey, Kimmy. I might as well just have two. It's like their brother and sister. Let's use another one on, let's say, this rascal bee. Beastie bee, cool bee, shocked bee. At least it's a epic. At least that. Let's see here. Ooh. Cactus. Ooh. We could be able to farm cactus, and then we'll farm the mountaintop, and then we'll complete Black Bear's quest, and then we'll see what his next quest is. So yeah, I'm gonna grind here. I'll see you once I complete it. So clearly, oh look, I got 10 wet boost pollen, which is 3 times the wet pollen, which I've never gotten on camera. Well, I don't know, but now all we need to do is grind for mountaintop. Mountaintop. Whee! Bees, where are you, bees? Oh, that looks like bees coming to sting me. Ah! Don't sting me, okay? I'm helpless, okay? Anyway, I'm gonna be grinding 200 again. 200. We're gonna be trying to get another. Wait. I am wondering. What is? Wait, I've watched the YouTuber. I watched a YouTuber like do leaks about the Ginger Cub Buddy, which is coming on the Beastmas updates, and also saw him say that the star amulets, the supreme one gives out something, which is the gummy star. Now anyway. Now that's why I call it a smorgasbord of pollen. Great job, here's some more field dice. Just 12 more questions and I'll give you my starch. Well, that star jelly is pretty, why is it so expensive? Dude, it's only one single star jelly. Well, meanwhile, I got a lot. As your hive grows bigger, you can eat through a field spawn faster and faster. This could become a problem when the flowers start growing fast enough to keep up. Luckily, there are sprinklers for sale in the bed bear's guide to help fix this. Yeah, sprinklers. Stick a sprinkler in the field and it will cause nearby flowers to grow faster. You may want to look into one soon, because I'll only be asking for one more. What? So I'm probably going to be grinding this off camera, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button in the face, because that's, I could be making more content soon, and I need those likes, I need those subs, I need to let you know when I make a new video. But anyway, hope you all enjoyed, and bye, Joe, bye.